Hello? Benjamin, did someone trap you in this picture? I'll get you out. How long is he going to do that for? I honestly don't know. Do. Spiky box. Eliminated contestants. They escaped. No hard feelings? Oh, that's really sweet. I thought they were going to be riding or something. But still, they shouldn't be here. Didn't escape. Your stupid box exploded. I tried to get everyone to stay, arguing that we shouldn't defy your wishes as a host, but I've got a solution. We're going to have a rejoin. Yay! Roughly, I've got a solution to that too. We'll also eliminate one of the currently competing contestants as well. Roughly, I've got a solution to that too. No, stop! Okay, that's enough! Very well. Anyway, I'm going to split you guys into 6 groups of 2. We did that last time. You really have ideas? Whoa, announcer, you cried acid? Yes. Hello? Here are your teams. Fern and Hot Dog. Nice. Not the worst choice. Toothpaste and Jammy. Are we still enemies? Yeah, enemies. You don't have anything to say. She took a vow of silence to protest the being eliminated. What's that going to accomplish? Sounds dumb.
Let's pitch this thing. Let's go hide. That's just cold, lying to your friend like that. Oh, be quiet and go chase the chest. Hey, hello. What the? Please don't hurt me.
I'm not gonna hurt you. You're my henchman.
Oh, right.
Anyway, I've got a plan on how to get toothpaste out as revenge for last episode.
Wait.
What? Oh, no, don't tell me you were gonna try and get me out.
Well, I mean,
You're my henchman. I just lost my last one. You can't leave me too.
okay, fine. What do I need to do?
It's simple. When there's 2 minutes left on the timer, you just need to grab the chest and bring it back here. Got it?
Yeah, I think.
Come on, henchman.
Okay, 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
What are you doing with that chest, Jammy?
I'm keeping it. I'm getting you out, and I'm rejoining the game.
But we need to get Needy out. She's the enemy.
She's your enemy. I'm trying to win for myself.
Okay, then. Why aren't you going for the chest? You've been active before. Why not now? Why do you even exist? You're so weird. Do you even want to rejoin? My enemy needs to die, Jammy!
Here, this must be yours.
Thanks. Is that the chest? I need that.
If you want that chest, you'll have to go through me, hot dog!
Sure, that's easy.
What?
What are you even doing? Fine, don't talk to me. I'm not here to have a conversation with you, as long as you're not getting that chest.
You're not gonna break me, Rose. Hey, that's mine! I'm not letting you beat me, Rose! Oh my gosh. Is that what chlorine feels like? This feels... out! Oh shoot! These monsters keep on chasing after the chest. I'm gonna run after them! And fast!
Why'd you do that, Sticker? It, was an accident. It really looked like you threw it, but I know you'd never lie to me.
Yes, I did it! I'm strong! I'm ready now. You guys all doubted me. Guess what? You won't run me over this time! Guys, I don't get it. I became strong!
Working out weights doesn't make you strong, idiot. Open your eyes. This is what you wanted to show me? Fern, how did this happen? It was too much weightlifting. Happens all the time. You lift more than you're able to, and then you'll hurt yourself. It was Fern's fault. So much running. I wonder how Toothpaste is holding up. It's not even swollen. I've got to come up with a plan. You're the worst person I've ever met, and I hate everyone. I could just crush you. The biggest and most violent crush I've ever done. Aha! 3, 2, 1. It worked. Toothpaste is gone. The chest is mine. Wait, where's the chest?
Who stole it? Stole? Jemmy, my dear, the entire point of the challenge is to get rid of the chest. How dumb are you? Beach ball. Beach ball. The chest. The chest. Give the chest by the end of the time you rejoin the game, Beach Ball. I didn't want to get out! I'm sorry! There you are, henchman! I'll be taking that. Now for the plan. As we were going to... Henchmen aren't supposed to interrupt. I know. But I worked very hard to get that chest here, and I got it on time. What do you want, a trophy? Well, no. But a thank you would be nice. Henchmen don't get thank yous. Now come on, let's go do the plan. We just have to get to where everyone else is at. Huh? I'm done. Yes, you did your job, but we still have the rest of the plan to do. I'm done being a pushover. I'm done letting people walk all over me. If everyone else is going to be so evil too.
I'm going to be equal to everyone else!
What, stupid?
Time's up. Where's the chest?
We already told you, Spico. It disappeared. No, it didn't. Huh? I have it.
Wow, good job, Money. That means the ruler is out, and you rejoin the game. The cake this time is a glass of water. And you 5, you missed your chance. Have fun in the TLC.
But it's broken.
I bought a new one. Vote for your favorite contestant. These will be added to the votes from last time. These votes will be important later.